Hello students, once again welcome back to the class of physics. So in the previous video actually we studied the concept of forward bias or IV characteristics of forward bias characteristics of, or we can say IV characteristics of semiconductor diode when it is under forward biased. So now we are going to study the same IV characteristics of semiconductor diode when it is under reverse biased. So reverse bias means you already know. So the negative terminal of the battery is connected to P side and the positive terminal of the battery is connected to N side. So here we have negative terminal. So that is connected to P side and the positive terminal it is connected to N side. So this you can take it as what? It's nothing but variable power supply. It has connected. Its voltage is V and this is a key, or we can say switch. It's up to you. So if you switch on, then we can say the current flows. If you switch off, then no current, or when you on the key and you plug in or plug out. So it depends. Okay, so definitely you'll get the value. So now what you are supposed to do, sir? So see now actually this is under reverse bias. You already know we studied the PN junction characteristics of semiconductor diode when it is under reverse bias. What happens? So when you increase the reverse bias voltage, or then in other words we can say the electric field through, because of this applied voltage and also the electric field across the PN junction. So both are in the same direction. The width of the depletion region goes on increases. Due to this increase in the width of the depletion region, what happens? There is a large opposition occurs. Then there is no flow of current from the majority charge carriers. Then from what actually we are getting the current? So there we are getting the current due to minority charge carriers which are present in the P side as well as on the N side. So this is the condition what we have studied in that particular case. Now we are going to study the IV characteristics. As I told you, if you want to, you can replace this instead of either you can connect this or you can use the rheostat while fixing the fixed power supply. If you can keep a fixed power supply here and add another one in another device, that is rheostat. By using that rheostat you can vary the voltage. You can find out the voltage across the diode by using this one. So by using voltmeter, meanwhile current, and the current what actually we are getting here, it is nothing but in terms of microampere. So that's the reason why we are using microammeter. Now we'll see the characteristics. So this is I, this is V. Correct. So this is minus I, can take minus V. So why sir minus I and minus V? Does it mean it is negative? No. The direction what we are taken here, it is negative. That's it. Okay, direction of current and as well as voltage acting in the direction opposite. That's what it says. Now here I am going to increase the voltage. So reverse voltage I am going to increase. Reverse voltage means what? Actually the same voltage only, because we have connected in a reverse direction, that will get increases. So let us take the graph V versus I. So voltage, if we keep voltage as 0, obviously current 0. If we keep voltage as 1 volt, current 0. If we keep voltage as 2 volt, current 0. If we keep then at certain range of voltage. If we keep 3, then also 0. If we keep 4, then again it suddenly increases to 10, or maybe 1. It increases here, maybe 1, then again 10, 20, 30, so on. Why sir like this? When we write the graph of reverse bias characteristics of semiconductor diode, so you will get the graph like this. See, till from 0 to this particular point, there is no change in the value of current. Even though if you increase the value of voltage, there is no change in the value of current. The current value remains same, but once it reaches to this particular voltage, that is 4 volt. So this 4 volt, what we got, the random change in the increase in the value of current, called as reverse breakdown voltage. We can say breakdown voltage or reverse breakdown voltage. reverse breakdown voltage, or we can say knee voltage or breakdown voltage, anything you can say. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, when it comes here why it is random changes? See, this is because of another concept we have, that is avalanche breakdown. Avalanche breakdown. What do you mean by avalanche breakdown, sir? See, when you take the PN junction diode we took here, okay, so initially, so the width is only this much, this is P, this is N, so width only this much. When you increase the reverse voltage, then what happens? The width of the depletion region goes on increases like this. So because of the minority charge carriers, we are used to get the current. So when this width of the depletion region goes on increases up to a certain range, for everything there is a limit, correct? So the valence electrons which are present in the valence band, or the electrons which are involved in the covalent bond, they will suddenly break down and they'll come out for the conduction. So this valence electrons what we got there due to the breakdown of covalent bond, so that number of valence electron is randomly increases. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಾಗ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಎಳಿತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋವು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇದು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜಸ್ ದ ಝೀನೋ ಡಯೋಡ್. ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಝೀನೋ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆರ್ ಅವಲಾಂಚೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ಅವಲಾಂಚೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ, we can say in other words, the phenomenon in which multiplication of the carriers occurs in the diode due to large reverse voltage. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಏನು ಡಯೋಡ್ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಮೀನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ಲಿ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಹೀಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಹೀಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದನೂ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಝೀನೋ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಝೀನೋ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್, ಐ ಗೆಸ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್. So that we will discuss. However, it is important. Okay, and it is used as a voltage regulator that they removed from your syllabus. Xeno diode used as a voltage regulator. Okay, sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, we have application. I told you, no, it is used as a voltage regulator to regulate the voltage. Okay, so this is what the condition. Because of this avalanche breakdown, what happens at this particular stage, when it comes, there is a large change in the value of current. Why? Because more number of charge carriers come towards here, and random agi ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ it will cut out or break down. So ಈ region ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು reverse breakdown region ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So this is what the graph actually we got here in the case of reverse bias or IV characteristics of semiconductor diode in case of reverse bias. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸಿ, ಟಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಸಡನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಂಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಡೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಆ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ನೀವು ಒಂದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ವಿ ನೀ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ನೀ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ or threshold voltage, or we can also say it as cut-in voltage, new voltage. Idu, this is V, and idu bandu eno breakdown voltage, breakdown voltage. So this is all about the condition of reverse bias and forward bias characteristics of semiconductor diode. In generally, when you take IV characteristics, we can add both in at a time together and we can discuss. So this is all about the semiconductor diode. Biasing, without biasing, with biasing, without biasing we studied. PN junction working, forward bias, reverse bias we studied. IV characteristics of semiconductor diode. In that also forward bias and reverse bias. So here we studied. So next we will move on to, and we have few things to discuss, and we have certain value of resistance. What are those resistance? When you take forward bias, we have a value dynamic forward resistance, that I can write it as RD, that is equal to delta V by delta I. So change in the value of voltage divided by change in the value of current by using Ohm's law. Okay, similarly static forward resistance, that is R is equals to V by I. So next bandu and okay, fine, one more thing I left. So current, what you are getting here, it is nothing but reverse saturation current. So here the current what we got here, it is nothing but reverse saturation current. And at last we have another one. When you take, this is for what? Reverse bias condition, sorry, forward bias condition. Reverse bias and the condition anta tagondaga we have a value called dynamic reverse resistance, illi small rd, that is also equals to delta V by delta I. This is for what? Where it is forward bias. This is for what? Here it is reverse bias. So these are the some kind of formulas. Hope you can remember. Static resistance bandu V by I. Static reverse